Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member that we helped out not too long ago. Her name is Kelsey and she writes, "After I saw your project for the centerpiece for my rustic Beauty and the Beast themed wedding, I fell in love and am inquiring if you could make an aisle ceremony stand for me. I don't have any inspiration photos, but I have no doubt you can make something beautiful and phenomenal." Well, Kelsey, thank you so much for that vote of confidence, and I hope we met your vision, because this week we are creating a 32-inch tall Beauty and the Beast inspired candle aisle stand for under $25. So excited to show you this project. It's so versatile, you won't believe it. So with that being said, let's get started, guys. To construct our candle aisle stand, we're going to use two round 6 3/4 inch wood plaques, one hardwood dowel 7/8, and we're going to cut it to 20 inches long. And we're also going to use two wood candle cups, the extra large size. That, with our wood glue sticks, are going to create the base and a construction for our inspired candle aisle stand. Our first step is to glue our candle cup holder to the center of our wood plaque with our wood glue. Once we've allowed our wood to set up about 5 minutes or so, we're ready to move on to our next step. We're going to go ahead and insert our 7/8 inch wooden dowel into our candle cup, because this will make sure that our top of our stand is perfectly symmetrical. So let's move on to that step. Place your second cup holder onto the wooden dowel, and then that way you can apply your glue to the top of it and set your wood plaque directly on top, assuring that it'll be symmetric. Now that our base construction is complete, we're going to continue by creating our candle holder topper. For this, we're going to attach a 4 to 5 inch styrofoam disc. First, we're going to trace out the bottom of our Mario clear glass base, which is 7 inches tall, and we're going to then cut it out using our foam cutter. We're ready to attach the foam disc now to the top of our candle holder topper with some more wood glue. It just adds a little extra security to it. And once it's attached and dried, you can see that it creates a wonderful, nice, snug home for our Mario clear glass base. This step is completely optional to you. You can keep it the blonde color if you like that, or you can choose to stain it. In this case, I'm choosing to create a glaze with two different color paints. One is brown and one is black, because I kind of want a wood barky look. And then I'm just simply adding teaspoons of water at a time to get the right consistency so that it'll go on smoothly, and it will show the grains of the wood plaque as well as the wood dowel as the glaze dries. But again, you can paint it any color you would like. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it, and you make it your own. I want to continue with the rustic theme, so I'm going to use this pine branch stem to decorate the candle stand. Now, I'm not using all parts, and that's what I love about this. I can separate and take the parts I'd like apart with my wire cutters. And what I love about this particular stem, other than the fact that it was 90% off, get those after Christmas deals, is that it has very sturdy wire. It's made with very sturdy wire, so you don't have to worry about gluing it onto the candle stand. All you're simply going to do is twist the wire around the base all the way up to the top, and it stays in perfect position. It's pretty awesome. Now we are ready to permanently put together all of our different sections of our stand, make sure that you put plenty of wood glue inside your cup holders so that everything will stay nice and sturdy. Make sure you take the time to check that it is level and straight, and then you are ready to attach your pine garland. Your final option is between your two different types of candles that you want to fill with. I am completely in love with natural candlelight, but I do understand that some venues have restrictions to that. So if that is the case, simply get an LED candle and it looks just as beautiful. Finally, add your topper with some wood hot glue and your beautiful candle aisle stand is ready to light any bride's way to the altar. Well, Kelsey, what do you think? Simple, but absolutely elegant. And I love the versatility of this. I mean, I can see so many different ways you can use this, so many different changes you can make to create it for an outdoor wedding or an indoor wedding. So take this plan, guys, and run with it. I am so excited to see what you do with it and how you take this idea even further. It just is inspirational to me that when I get the pictures of what you've come up with and how you've made it your own. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every week. And if you would like an extra special notice, click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a special notification from us the very moment that the videos go live. You can also ask us a question or just give us words of encouragement right down there in the comment section. We are here for you for that. And if you would like to follow us more, please check out our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. Formerly known as Ebates, it's so simple. Either click on the icon or go right down to our description. Sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your Rakuten account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts at the end of the month. It's really that simple. Don't miss out. Also, do not miss out on our totally downloaded DIY planners. For all of you brides that just recently got engaged, we have the perfect wedding planner for you as well as your maid of honor. So go ahead and check us out. We have some great deals on them right now, and we want to make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity to plan the wedding of your dreams with our easy DIY planners. Again, you don't have to worry about shipping and handling. They are immediately available to you in PDF download, so you have immediate access to start your planning. And if you would like to hang out with us some more, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and hang out with us on our MissPlanIt home channel. This is where I continue to hang out with you at my home, creating DIY projects for myself as well as my family and friends. We're having a blast over there, so check us out. Well, guys, our time is coming to an end. I want to remind you that we will be launching our MissPlanIt Flower Shop with Amazon very soon. I'm extremely excited about it, and I cannot wait to share all of the wonderful products we are coming up so you can use the exact same flowers that I am using. It's just so exciting. So excited. In addition to that, don't forget all of the links to all of the supplies as well as the project costs for our projects are in the description right below the video. If you click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however you see it, you will find all of the links to the supplies available for you right there. You don't have to wonder where we got them from. It's all there for you. Head on down to the description, click on the link. We love hanging out with you. We appreciate you taking this time to spend with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube. Those of you who have been following us and joining us and sharing with us, We just so appreciate it. I love seeing your pictures that you post of your projects on our Facebook page and on our Instagram page, and it's just fantastic. And I love the interaction that we're having on Pinterest. It's just wonderful. So if you haven't checked out those sites, head on over there and hang out with us some more. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this time. Always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.